Hello everyone, I'm Miss Paula and I wanted to take a minute to jump on here real quick because I was thinking about something this morning. And there's a lot of new faces on this page, so I'm trying to spread the word about the baking club. And I wanted to take a minute also to let you get to know a little bit about me or of me, hear from me. And so as you guys know, I am the author and baker of the GF Baking Club for Kids, and I'm the author of the Gluten-Free Baking Club, or the Big Book of Gluten-Free Baking. I don't do these videos very often, so I'm not as perfected on them. And I know this is backwards, but I just wanted to take a minute to talk about what is possible with the club, okay? So I have my cookbook, which came out in 2020, and I also have my very own blend of gluten-free flour. And this actually, the recipes in my cookbook, you can mix it yourself, but in 2021, I was able to get it pre-mixed and pre-packaged for your convenience. So when the GF Baking Club for Kids grew, I'm able now to put a smaller package of flour in each and everyone's baker's box. So whether your child is new to the gluten-free journey or not, I know the feeling, and I've been there. I've been there 2 times now with both my kids, and each journey is slightly different. And I know there's so many feelings. There's social gatherings that change, school changes, family gatherings change. So many things change because your child or yourself can no longer just go and grab something wherever you are, okay? You always have to have that pre-thought. You're always trying to figure out what to eat. You're always trying to figure out what to make. Like, for instance, we have track meets tomorrow, so I'm trying to figure out what we're going to eat and when we're going to eat it and what would not spoil, okay? So when I started seeing pictures of kids holding my cookbook and having this hope, I started to think and had a long conversation with my cousin regarding what to do to help these kids experience delicious gluten-free food. And so the baking club was born. Fast forward, lots of thought, lots of time and effort thinking about it. The GF Baking Club for Kids was born. And as you may or may not know, during certain times of year, I will invite new bakers to join us. So I don't allow bakers to just join whenever, because we do have a very much of a club atmosphere where I get to know each and every one of my bakers. I develop a relationship with them. I know some of their strengths and their weaknesses, and I really like that. I never want to lose sight of that special part of the club. So we are going to be inviting new bakers, or I'm going to be inviting new bakers here in less than 30 days, May 18th. And while you'll be seeing a lot about the club in the next few weeks and the stages of where your child is now and where they will be once they join the club or when they're a member of the club for so long, I want you to see all of the possibilities of what's possible. And I know, like you, when everything's changing, Playdates change, your invitations change, what you get invited to, what your child gets invited to. There's social, their social status, I guess. They're feeling a little bit more isolated. They're feeling a little bit more left out. And my mission, my passion is to really, really create an environment that is just for them, that where they can feel special, where they can thrive, where we don't offer gluten-free options, we offer just gluten-free, okay? So everywhere we go, there's always a gluten-free option. Safe or not, we don't know. We have to dig deep and do all the research. But what I have built is something specifically for these gluten-free kids. And I want you to know that there's hope. If you see these feelings in yourself, like I know for a fact my kids feel this, you know, even if I try my best to create magic with my baked goods, they are accepting, they love it, they feel better, but there's always going to be a little bit of a sense of, gosh, I want that, you know? And so what I've tried to develop is to the best of my ability, an environment where they feel empowered because they've made it themselves. They feel proud. They feel included because they can have delicious treats, and they feel better. They have a better relationship with food. So what I was thinking about today is not only do I provide the means or the structure for which your kids to bake these goods, but I also teach them how to do it step by step, live, either with me monthly or in a pre-recorded class. So they get 2 ways to bake with me. But also, let's jump ahead to like the future. Their kids, your kids as adults. And I started to think about like all these brands that are available now that maybe won't be available then, or there will be new brands available later. And I think one of the coolest things that I thought is that no matter where I am 20, 30, 40 years from now, they'll always be able to bake my recipes. And here's why. Because the 4 ingredients, my flour blend is made up of just 4 ingredients. Brown flour, brown rice flour, sorghum, arrowroot, and potato starch. Those will always be available. And they will always be able to purchase those 4 ingredients, whether they can buy my flour pre-mixed or not. They're always going to be able to buy those 4 ingredients and mix it themselves. They will always have the recipe to create my flour blend forever. And I think that's pretty cool because that shows that what I'm doing is timeless. It will help your kids feed their kids and on and on and on. And it gives me a sense of this isn't just for the here and now. A lot of times you'll see, you know, it's like a new song on the radio. There's a whole album, but there's only one popular song, and then you never hear anything from the singer again. And I don't want to be that. I want to be a solution where they will be able to bake time and time again for themselves as they grow older, for their children, and for their grandchildren, okay? Because we don't know yet how that's gonna go. We don't know if their kids are going to be gluten-free too. So my thought is let's prepare them for the future no matter what. So I wanted to just leave you with that today, that thought of what is possible with the GF Baking Club for Kids, with my club. There's so many things, so many great things that are on the horizon. Summer is going to be so much fun. When I invite new bakers to join me in May, their first baking experience will be in June. June is going to be an experience like we've never had before. It will be dinner and dessert, and there will be an opportunity that you've never had before. And I feel like I'm so excited about it. I'm so excited to invite new bakers. I feel like the bakers I have now are ready. That's the thing. I never have exact dates of when I'm inviting new bakers because I want to know that the bakers that I have with me right now are ready to expand and to like kind of invite new bakers, okay, to join them. And I think it's pretty cool because they get to meet new friends and they see the number of gluten-free kids that are actually out there. It doesn't matter if they're the only ones in their school. It doesn't matter if they're the only ones in their class or in their community. They're not the only ones in the world. And I think having the live Zoom calls or the private Facebook group where everybody shares what they bake, it really shows them that they are a big community and that we have created this safe place just for them. So in the coming weeks, you're going to see some things, see more about the club. You'll learn more about the club. You'll see what's possible. I'll walk you through some things. I want you to be confident in the decision that this is the right place for your child. And I also want to leave you with these thoughts. I have some notes. Your kids and us, we can have we can have food just like our friends. We can have friends who understand. We can be confident despite this obstacle. We can still be amazing. And we shouldn't settle for less. We should never settle for less, no matter what. And if it's one thing that I'm really, really good at, is empowering your child to know that they can reach for the stars and they can do just about anything that they set their mind to. This is kind of how I started the club. You know, I had an idea and I've just been going with it. And I don't know where it will lead, but I do know that the ride's been amazing. The journey's been incredible. I've enjoyed watching bakers start their own business. I've enjoyed them aspiring to start their own business. I've watched them enjoy the love of learning this lifelong skill that you really didn't think that was possible when you first get the news that you need to be gluten-free. So like I said, just wanted to take a minute to let you know what's on the horizon. Mark your calendar, May 18th. I will be offering an early bird sign-up bonus. So please get on the wait list. My wait list works a little bit differently than others. I don't necessarily open the wait list when there's spots available. I want everybody to be ready, and I want the club, like myself, to be ready. And so I open the club and I offer first spots to the wait list. Okay, so just when the spots are open. And Violet's mom says, "Thank you, Miss Paula, for your passion with our kids. Can't wait for more baking." And thank you so much. And I've loved baking with Violet. Violet has been with me now for, it will be, the rainbow cake, and then it'll be almost 2 years in September. And that's incredible. So many bakers, I see them, they've grown so much in their skills. I've had bakers they've been with me all 3 years that the club's been open. And I think that shows a lot of commitment for your child. It shows a lot of commitment for you as a parent. We're in this together. I never pretend that I have it all figured out because I'm learning too. I'm navigating middle school right now and a soon to be 8-year-old. And it's, every phase of life is just a little different. And if I can help you through my experience, that's what I'm here for. So have a great day. I really just get on the wait list, and at least so you can see the bonuses, and then you can jump on board and don't miss out on them if you're interested, okay? So if you have any questions also, you can email me, Paula, Paola, sort of like payola, which I was reminded of that last month because everybody used to call me that in grade school. But paula@stayglutenfree.com. And so if you're already on the wait list, you'll know I send recipes also, and I send other tidbits of information weekly. So, and that's just about to get better. So thanks for being here, and I look forward to seeing your child in the club soon.